up, get up. Get up, get up. It's not the dreams that you tell me about, not the way that the sun shines on you, baby, baby, baby.
I could spend literally the whole day enjoying this view, but we gotta go. Ready?
Yes.
We need to check for the laundry. I really need to get a haircut today. And we're also driving to the Boulders Beach.
Betty's Bay.
No, Boulders Beach.
No, Betty's Bay. Boulders Beach.
Or Boulders Beach. We are so well prepared. Fabienne also made us a lunchbox. We are super prepared for today. I could bet with you that the laundry isn't finished yet. It's closed.
Macht aber auf.
Hello.
Not yet. I knew it. I told you. Okay, so laundry isn't finished. We need to come back tomorrow. Hey man.
How's it?
Good and you?
Thank you. It looks like we're having an interview first.
Yeah, it's right. Just give me a nice haircut and make me look a little bit more beautiful.
Look handsome.
Yes. Can you make like a fade down to 3?
Sure. Taking a picture before and after.
Yes, right. It's like before and after.
Where'd you go? I've been looking out my window, yeah.
So what are you doing, David, actually right now?
Just cleaning your skin.
Okay, so what is the next step? So you now clean the hair, the skin of my hair.
I'm just gonna.
And you know you're taking the lemon.
Yeah. This is where it starts hurting. And it's all organic. That's a good business.
Yeah.
Alright, so the left over. Here we go, Lars.
Thank you so much, man, David.
Most
Really
welcome.
appreciate it.
You're most welcome. What is her name?
Fabienne.
Fabienne.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you so
that.
much for meeting you.
Have a
It was
good one.
really a pleasure. It was
Nice
really
to meet
cool.
you. Nice meeting you, Fabienne.
And see you next time.
You kept up.
Yes, thank you so much.
Take care.
Bye bye. From the first moment we walked in there, that was really the best barber I've ever been to.
He was so friendly.
He wasn't only friendly.
Now we have to buy lemons.
Yeah, I needed to buy a lamp for my hair, but he wasn't only friendly. He was like, from the first moment we walked in, you could feel his passion for haircuts, and he said like, when you know what, when I asked him if he's the owner of this barber shop, he told me directly, every one of us.
Yeah.
It is not him who owns the barber shop, it is like everyone owns the barber shop. And it's like a community, it's a big neighborhood, and you can come there and you can have a coffee, and it was so cool, and was by far definitely the best haircut I ever got. And I'm not making this up here. When you ever come to Cape Town and do haircuts, definitely 100% go to David and say you're coming from Lars. It was so cool. We are on our way to the Boulders Beach, but you have to see this. I mean, we were driving for only 10 or 15 minutes, and I have never seen something like that before. And I know I said it already several times before, Cape Town is really time-lapse paradise, but I've never seen a cloud something like that. Whoa. This looks like a big giant snowslide. Oh my god!
Where'd you go?
Look at this!
I've been looking out my window, yeah.
It looks unbelievable. I've never seen something like that before. Oh, we used the time while shooting a time lapse to our lunchbox. It's almost gone, and it is now only 12:40 p.m.
It was for the whole day, the lunchbox.
You see, honey? I'm not the only one. Even the locals come here to take a photo of this super special snowslide of Cape Town. Wow!
Looks really creepy.
Looks like it's the end of the world.
Yes.
And welcome to Boulders Beach. You got the key? No.
Oh, it's so cute, hey?
This is the reason why we came here. Here are penguins. This is the reason why we came to this beach. Oh god. Hey buddy! They are really beautiful and this beach is, I mean, astonishing as well, but you can't imagine how much it stings here. Right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello, for two?
2 internationals.
Yes, right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, well, here are many people. I haven't used it for 2 days and I'm glad that I brought it with me. The Super Lance.
Something that's not chasing you, baby. I don't wanna see. I got somebody watching.
After all, I need to say that I find it quite expensive. We paid now 10 euros per person and it seems like there's only a way and penguins. What is your opinion on that? I mean, we paid now in total 20 euros
Yeah.
just to see penguins. To get down to the boulders beach, we have taken the eastern way, we drove the eastern coastline down to the boulders beach from Cape Town, which you might can see right over here, and we are now here and taking our way back, driving along the Chapmans Drive, which is quite famous here for South Africa and especially for Cape Town. Oh. Whoa. Oh my god, do you see this? Okay, so we had to change the ND filter. We have now 16 polarized, ND 16 polarized on it, and it is Fabienne who's flying the drone. It's the first time after we've been to the helicopter, so honey, if you're gonna crash it, I would say it's not 100% your fault. It is because the drone got repaired.
Ist das der Sportmodus?
That's the sport modus, yeah. Do you know how to take off the drone?
Ja.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa! Oh my god. Don't crash it, please, just don't crash it. Please, just don't crash it, just don't crash it. Oh my, honey! Oh my god.
I got somebody watching all the moves.
You know, the best thing in life is to see her smiling and when she's happy. Are you happy, honey?
Ja.